Randa's reviews here, and we have a special guest, Chef Yarnell.
Chef Neezy in the building.
We are going to be opening up this power air fryer that I bought myself for Mother's Day. And we're going to make some chicken, and then we're going to see how it works. So here is a very big box of things. Let's see. So we have a rotisserie book and directions and a pretty picture of some nice French fries and other stuff. All right, there's another tool. Oh my gosh, this thing is so big. Okay, I think, let's see. Can you lift it?
So the smart thing to do is to open the bottom.
Oh.
And then we will, there you go.
Open the bottom?
Cut the season right there. See it? See the tape?
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right.
You want from here at the
Cut the
bottom?
bottom.
Oh, we got a trick to open up
This
our
is
box.
the smart thing to do. When it's big like this, you want to do it on the table. Let all the wood out first, and then voila.
Voila! Alright. So you get this, this is a rack.
Okay.
Whoa, this one's big. And some
Those are the good things you put on the side for the rotisserie.
Oh, for the rotisserie, yes, because this is also a rotisserie. So it comes with the turner thing.
Turner thing.
Yeah. Oh, and look, this is the thing that you it's like official. Like you put this inside of the chicken, so it can like spin like that. I like it.
All right.
It's so big. Oh, wait, we gotta turn it around for this.
All right.
So how do we take it off of here?
Well, let's just take it out.
Okay. All right, I gotta save all this stuff just in case I have to send
Untake
it back.
the side.
All right.
All right.
Excited. Now what?
Now we open the drawer.
All right.
Open the door. Take this stuff out.
Oh gosh, this thing came with a lot of contraptions. So here's
Like the word
another.
contraptions.
So this is according to that picture that I saw. Well, according to the picture on the box. You can do multiple levels because you can also do dehydration. Oh, that's the rotisserie spinner. Hold on, let's get the official name of it. Where's the box? I lost the
Right
box.
here.
There's an official name for that thing. It's probably not called.
I don't know if it's on the box. It might be.
It's on the box. It's on at the bottom right there in the front of the box. On the other side of the box, at the front.
All right, here you go.
We're getting it together.
Here you go. Hold
It
that.
says it's a rotating basket. So
Okay.
here you would put it in there and it slowly rotates your food.
And what's the name of those little forks?
Those are rotisserie bit, shaft, and fork. And 3 airflow racks. So we have 3 airflow racks because this thing does air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator. So here's a picture of it, kind of, you can see.
And it has 8 program presets.
Ah, so French fries, steak, chops, fish, shrimp, chicken, baking, rotisserie, and dehydrator. So we're going to be making some French fries. Not French fries, what do you call those things? Potato chips. We're going to make some potato chips. So this thing, I think you can like slide it in there. Oh. Probably because it's sliding it the wrong way.
We still got this one here.
I'm so excited. What's that? This might be a pizza pan.
It looks like the bottom tray to catch like any of the stuff so it won't. You know, so.
I like pizza pan.
Okay, roll with it.
All right, so there's that one. I think. Hold on. There we go. There's that. Whew, this is a lot of work. Here's It's a little crooked. Oh. And then we have one more. Oh wait, it's crooked. I'm trying to do this sideways, so that's probably why it's a little bit crooked. But it does really fit in there actually. But I like this one because the one that I wanted to get, the ninja thing, it had a little basket so you can only do a little bit at a time. But look, honey, with this one, look, chef.
Oh wow!
You can put all of the chicken on there.
Well,
you probably do 2 racks of chicken.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So, so this is what we have so far. What's this thing up here? Does it come over? Oh, that's like the steamer. We're gonna look at some more directions. We're gonna prepare our Mother's Day meal in here, which will include chicken and steak. So once we get to that, we'll be back once we start cooking.
Thumbs up. Don't hurt yourself.
Chef Yarnell.
So this is what happens when you plug it up.
Oh, it's you can't even tell. Look at all this
Full
stuff
display.
on there.
All you do is see like a one touch. It's pretty good. Timer, temperature. So you select the temperature with this one. You select the time with this one. The light on.
Oh.
Light off.
Look,
Run
it has
through the cycle.
a chicken thing, a fish picture of a fish. Very simple. That's what happens when you turn it off. All right. So we'll be back.
All right. So now you put the chicken on the rack, like they said, ungreased and all that good stuff. Let's see how many pieces can actually fit on this rack.
Okay.
All right. Let's see here. I have 10 pieces of chicken, so it looks like maybe to squeeze all 10 on this sucker.
Oh, on one rack?
On one rack.
Well, they are some little baby chicken legs.
They killed this chicken too early. Somebody was mad at this little. I bet this little chicken was mad as hell when they came searching for
Little baby chicken.
Little baby chicken.
Baby chicken.
Man, this little chicken. All right. Now.
Oh, okay. Let's see, chef.
Put it in.
Perfect.
Bam.
Oh, what about the steak?
You want to try to put the steak in too?
I mean, you can wait for right now since the steak is less time.
Why not? But I don't think you want to open it while it's cooking.
Okay.
Right? So let's just go ahead and go with the chicken.
So in the book that came with it, it says chicken legs are 18 to 22 minutes
for about one pound or so. I got just a little bit
for
over
360. So as soon as you start it, it automatically starts cooking in a few seconds. So there's our chicken.
It's going.
And here it is. If you could wait, can you see the chicken?
There it is.
You can see the chicken.
Right there.
All right, so we'll be back when it's done.
So it suggests that you flip it when it's partially done. So it cooks evenly on both sides. So I'm going to pull this rack out.
Already. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. It's already a nice color.
Nice
So I'm
little
going to
brown on it.
flip each piece.
Okay.
Ooh, it smells good.
And our drip pan is working.
That's them Chef Yarnell seasonings I put on here. I know you can't see these other pieces, but I am not going to move this out of my hand. There. Back in. Give me 1 second.
All right, so look at our chicken. It's so pretty.
I want to clean this because seasonings drip down on it. So you're going to want.
We got to keep our air fryer clean.
All right, let me wet that.
Clean as you go, chef.
That's it. That thing is hot, y'all. Hot potato. Give me
It's only
give me the
been-
blue apron.
It's
Give me
only
the
been a
blue.
few minutes.
Yeah,
Well,
that
it's
was
been.
quick.
Well, how long has it been? It's been like 10 minutes. We put it on 25.
And I'll give it a serious cleaning afterwards. But right now, hey, good enough.
And it's back
And it's
cooking.
back
I
to
think
cooking.
you can kind of hear it. The air is ventilating. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Oh, okay. I didn't know if it started. All right. So now our chicken is done. It's open. Pretty. Ooh.
Nice and juicy. It's even got
Yes.
crisp edges. It's really good.
And that was only
25 minutes.
So after this, we have to start it back on 360 degrees for our steak. So this is our Mother's Day meal: chicken, steak,
Juicy chicken.
juicy chicken, and steak.
Look at that. Whoa. Forgot that thing was hot. Forgot all about
So we
that.
put the chicken. Chef Yarnell says put the chicken in a pre-warmed bowl.
Yep, and then
So-
cover it with some foil. That way, you know, if you're trying to wait on everything else to get done, and you want the chicken to stay nice and warm, or closer even to hot, that's what you need to do. All right.
We got a lot going on right now.
That was not a nice piece.
Well, you're not trying to conserve the.
Yeah, but you can serving, and
I thought it was enough.
yeah,
There we go. So the bowl is warm. It's going to keep the chicken warm. Very good idea, chef.
thank you.
Put the bowl in the oven. So here on a clean rack, we have our steak. And as you can hear, we got kids running around in the background. That's all right. It's Mother's Day. I wonder, is this thing hot? It's not really hot. So we're gonna take this out. Not much grease at the bottom. Alex, I'm doing a video. So here we have our steak seasoned perfectly by Chef Yarnell. Okay, Alex, hold on. Give me the thing. Here.
All right, steak going in.
4.
How long did it say?
It's at 8 to 12 minutes. On
All right, I'm gonna do
360.
it. I'm gonna do it 10. And action.
And let me see if you can see here. It's starting. Kinda, you can see. So we'll be back in another 10 minutes. All right, and we're back. So now Chef Yarnell will open up.
I will unveil thine steak. That's like a juicy too. Let me take this plate and put it over there. Golly. Get them
All
juices.
right.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Nice and juicy. All right. We'll do a test.
Here, kid.
We're gonna do a test.
Let's see. I'm gonna take this thing out.
Look at that. Look at that. Nice, perfectly cooked. All the way through.
Wait, you gotta. They need to see the chef. See
Yeah,
the
he is.
Someone.
Watch yourself. So, taste test.
They can't see you.
Hold on. I got one for them.
Wait, is it too hot?
No. Come on, baby doll. Check that out. Yeah. Yeah,
So-
it needs the stamp of approval, y'all.
It's not dry. It's very
Look at that.
juicy. It doesn't have like the sear like regular steak has, but
It's cooked well.
I like it. So to go with this air fryer. So overall, I'm loving this Pro air fryer. I got it at Walmart for $99. And so our Thanksgiving meal with our Pro Fryer, I think it gets my vote. So it automatically shuts off. This is from cooking the chicken and the steak. That's just about how much was left on the plates. We did put a little bit of olive oil on the chicken so it could be moist. Oh, my face. But overall, I am pleased with this Pro Fryer. I would definitely recommend it. I'll do another video because I have some okra, and since it's a dehydrator, I'm going to make okra chips. So I'm going to dehydrate the whole okra. You've seen it in the stores before. You can buy it, and it's really tasty. But let me show you what else our chef is doing really quickly that's not on the Pro Fryer. But we have Brussels sprouts. So let's take this camera. I'll try to walk slow.
All right, so you want to feast your eyes on this almost done mac and cheese. And then I'm making some sauteed Brussels sprouts with onion right here in cast iron skillet.
Look at how good that looks.
Look at that, beautiful.
So, what did you put in this? What do you call it? Brussels sprouts.
So in the Brussels sprouts, it's a vegetable seasoning.
Okay, my camera skills are not the best. Sorry.
Brussels sprouts, vegetable seasoning.
Oh, sorry.
Some salt and pepper. I don't know what's going on. This camera. Wow.
Okay, there you go.
And some garlic. You know, just light things.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. And it's sauteed in butter and a little bit of oil. And let's taste it and see what it tastes like right now. Oh, I also use some ginger and garlic, minced garlic. Really good. That ginger, man, that ginger did something. You guys got to try it with ginger. Yeah.
Delicious.
It's delectable.
The lighting is all crazy, but it's okay. I'm just in my house with my laptop. So that's what we have. Pro air fryer gets my thumbs up. What about you, chef?
Oh yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. I was against doing anything in the air fryer, but hey, they won me over.
So
worth it.
Power Air Fryer Pro. I'll be doing many videos on the things that I decide to cook. So I'll do one on dehydration of okra, and then maybe one of these days the chef will come over again, and we'll do rotisserie chicken. How about that?
That sounds like a plan.
Or rotisserie Cornish hen, because I don't know if a whole, well, maybe a small chicken will fit in there, but either way. Randa reviewed a Power Air Fryer Pro, and we give it a thumbs up. So we're out here. Any last words, chef?
Yeah, in the words of Dion Cole's cousin, slap! Sounds like a plan.
Goodbye.